Hello friends, welcome to Amigo Arts tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to draw an eye. So friends, to draw an eye we need a pencil, an eraser and a little more of a shading techniques which we have learned in our previous classes. So as you can see in the frame, we have three circles. The outer circle, half of the outer circle and a small circle in the middle. So this outer circle is nothing but our eyeball. The second circle represents our iris. And the small circle here is our pupil, which decreases and increases its size based on the source of light. So this is what about the anatomy of our eye. So to start making an eye, we'll start with the outer section of this big circle. So draw with me so that it will be helpful for you. So initially you will not be touching the second circle. You will be just basically cutting the middle of it. You will just crossing this second circle, but you are not touching the front part of it. The down portion should be exactly touching the second circle and coming swiftly and touching this line. Make a small rectangle near the small circle here. Use your 4B and above pencils so that, because now it's a lot of shading techniques which we'll be doing right now. So just follow me. So fill this entire small circle, shade it full. Start making kind of a lightning coming out of this small circle. It is different for different people, but yeah. Then start shading. Mostly the top portion of it is always dark, and while you come down it becomes lighter. Just remember, you are not touching the small circle here. Make sure you are darkening the outline of it. You're adding proper values by shading it properly. All detailed work. We're also making little dark from in the outside part of it also as well. Fill is ready. As you can see, you can start with shading the outline of your eye. As we know, our circle is basically rounded, so we'll be giving that effect by shading. Not in the middle, but just in the outside of it. And then you can use your finger and blend it. So this part, basically we have our eyebrow bone. It all depends from person to person, but yes, we're gonna draw it like this, which will not be touching the entire full part of the circle, it will be coming just parallel to our eye. Also, we'll be drawing a little slight line down the eye. Make sure you're removing the circle which you have drawn as a base to draw an eye. So just remove. And we'll be shading this eyebrow bone accordingly. So mostly the top portion of it is darker, and gradually when it comes down it becomes lighter. So eyes are complete. Here comes the turn for your eyelids, basically eyelashes. So these eyelashes are also, like, it depends, like if it is a woman, don't forget about mascara. And if it is a man, of course, if you're drawing a men's eye, it won't be having that much of lashes. So it all depends, like with what you are basically drawing. So if you are drawing a woman's eyelash, so of course it will be having a full loaded of mascara and other things. So let's start. So always understand that eyelashes are not coming as straight like this. No, it basically comes as a form of J. Like this. Use your thinnest pencil as possible and make 3 J's, one on the side, one in the middle, and one in the side. Always remember that your J should be coming basically from the down to up. And it's nowhere it is always in a symmetrical position. No, sometimes you will be having 2 J's together, sometimes it is just joined, it is combined. So we have a combination of lashes in all our eyes, so it will not be symmetrical. So you can put it in a much possible way. There'll be a lot of lashes upside, so you can just start from this direction straight and to this particular direction. So let's get started. Once you have finished the eyelash section, next comes the eyebrow section. So you can just start making a similar parallel line just on top of your eyebrow bone and make a kind of a rectangle in the front, and then try to just touch the baseline here. The hair always not comes as in this section, so you have to make, I'll teach you how to draw an hair in my next classes. So for now you can just fill it with curves like this. Can slightly just shade it here. Can shade this section as well. You can just slightly just make it light and use your pen's finger and smudge it on top as well. Here as well. The down portion of this you can also shade a little bit. You can just slightly make a line here. Don't make more lines because it may it's basically lines are drawn when it represents old people, so make sure you're doing it in a proper way, not using much lines. You're just using it to basically shade and to get the effect, the values properly. I'll just remove this extra lines. And yes, here is your eye ready.